Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Schwab, specifically their website at https://www.schwab.com. Charles Schwab is a well-established name in the financial world, offering a comprehensive range of services from brokerage accounts and investment management to financial planning and banking. Navigating their website can feel a little overwhelming at first due to the sheer volume of information available. However, they've made strides in recent years to improve user experience and streamline their online presence. One of the first things you'll notice is the clean and modern design. The layout is generally intuitive, with key sections readily accessible from the main navigation bar. Whether you're interested in exploring investment options, learning about retirement planning, or managing your existing accounts, you'll find dedicated areas catering to those specific needs. For new investors, Schwab offers a wealth of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, which can be invaluable in building a strong financial foundation. Experienced investors will appreciate the robust trading platform and research tools available. Schwab provides access to real-time market data, in-depth analysis reports, and advanced charting capabilities. They also offer a variety of investment products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds, giving investors a wide range of choices to diversify their portfolios. Additionally, Schwab provides various account types to suit different investment goals, such as individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, IRAs, and custodial accounts for minors. While Schwab has a strong reputation for customer service, navigating their extensive website can sometimes present a challenge. The sheer breadth of information can occasionally feel overwhelming, especially for those new to investing. However, their online help center and customer support options are generally readily available and helpful. They offer phone support, email assistance, and even live chat, allowing you to choose the communication method that best suits your preferences. Overall, Schwab's website at https://www.schwab.com serves as a comprehensive portal to a wide array of financial services and resources. While the vast amount of information can initially seem daunting, the platform is designed to cater to both novice and experienced investors. With its user-friendly interface, robust tools, and extensive educational resources, Schwab provides a valuable online experience for individuals seeking to manage and grow their wealth. They also provide access to banking services, allowing clients to consolidate their financial needs under one roof. This convenience can simplify financial management and potentially streamline financial oversight. Remember to do your own research and determine if Schwab's offerings align with your specific financial goals and risk tolerance.